Vincent Regani here with Flat Screen Clean. How many of us have flat and touchscreen devices in our lives? And you know how hard it is to keep them clean and streak free? Well, I'm a professional house cleaner by trade. I messed up one of my customers' TVs one day using a name brand cleaner. Streaks all over. I came up with a solution. Flat Screen Clean. I personally tested Flat Screen Clean on over 20,000 units to date. I call it real time, real dirt, real results. Flat Screen Clean is your one-stop shop, all-in-one flat and touchscreen cleaning product that's both alcohol and ammonia-free. That means you no longer have to have multiple cleaners for all your devices, just one. And it's made from all natural ingredients. It's as simple as 1, 2, 3, and we provide you all the tools needed to ensure your satisfaction. It'll clean to the extreme, from chicken wings to hand creams and everything in between. It even removes permanent marker. And tonight I'm going to do my extreme demonstration for you. So, I didn't put anything on the screen yet, so we're going to put all this stuff on the screen. And I'll go down the list as I put it on. So I'm going to put on some this spread, Nutella, peanut butter, butter. Ooh, that's a lot of butter. Ooh, we'll take a little bit of that off. Barbecue sauce, Italian dressing, Hershey syrup. Yeah. So like I said, I'm a professional house cleaner by trade. Put some mustard, ketchup. This is some hand cream. Whip my hand off a little bit because it got a lot of junk on it. And then I'm going to put some lipstick and lip gloss. I'll put some lipstick and lip gloss. Alright. And then I'm going to put some kids glue. Why not? Being a professional house cleaner by trade, you'd be amazed what gets on screens. Oh, and then permanent marker. Yes, permanent marker. I'm going to put the permanent marker right there. Alright. And then, we're not done yet. We're going to put kids paint. So we got purple, a little bit of, I think that was red, blue, orange, and green. Is that a mess? Yeah, that's a mess. Alright, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to blend it in for you. Okay? And then I'll let that dry a little bit. I'll talk a little bit and I'll dry. Let it dry. So being a professional house cleaner by trade, I messed up one of my customers' TVs. Streaks all over with the name brand cleaner. And I came up with Flat Screen Clean. That allowed me to test Flat Screen Clean on over 28,000 units to date. So what we do is we like to put a face with our product, and we like to be the extreme and put extreme demos out there. To the extreme. And that's what we do. So tonight I'm going to use the 8-ounce bottle of Flat Screen Clean. It's as simple as 1, 2, 3. Shake, spray, and wipe. Repeat if necessary. You think that's a mess? If you have any questions, comments, feel free to ask anything. I like answering questions as we go. It's pretty cool, actually. It's a great way to get to know my customer. So this is a live demo right now. You shake, spray, and wipe. Repeat if necessary. Definitely got to repeat on this one. So it is your one-stop shop, all-in-one flat and touchscreen cleaning product that is alcohol and ammonia free. And it's as simple as 1, 2, 3. Now the permanent marker is right there, and it's already gone. Wow. So you say, why do we put all these extreme demos out on the... Well, we want to be different. We want to stand out. And we want to be to the extreme. Now, as you can see, Flat Screen Clean, I sprayed it directly onto the screen. Why? Because it missed onto the screen. So it will not run. So you really don't want to... You do not want to spray the towel, because when you find something on your screen, usually you're going to find it the day after, and it's going to be dry. And what you want to do is Flat Screen Clean will break it down by spraying it on the screen, on whatever's on your screen. If you use the towel and you spray it on the towel and then it's hard on your screen and you don't get it moistened, you may scratch your screen. That's why we spray it directly onto the screen. It's that simple. Made from all natural ingredients. So I'll get into what you get and the price right after I'm done cleaning the screen. I apologize with my back to you. Now I'm applying very, very little pressure. Very little pressure. And as you can see, it's not clean. It's flat screen clean. So if you like what you see, go ahead and hit the little yellow box, and we're not sold out. Trust me, we are not sold out. Amazon is definitely working on that for us to fix that. So tonight I used our 8-ounce bottle of flat screen clean. All right. So I'll get into what you get and the price. So you get the 8-ounce bottle of flat screen clean. You get the 16 by 16 inch super blue microfiber towel. You get the insert card that has all the valuable information. You can get in contact with us however you want. Our phone number is on Amazon. It's out there. And then you get this bag. Now this bag is key because what this bag does is it keeps this super blue microfiber towel from getting contaminated. What do you mean by getting contaminated? Well, when you leave it lay around, sometimes it can get dusty. You could sneeze on it. Your cat can play with it. Your dog can get it. So you want to put it away and protect the towel, because regardless of how much your TV is, whether it's a $200 TV or a $5,000 TV, you want to keep your TVs clean. You deserve it. You worked hard for those TVs, and you want to keep it clean with flat screen clean. It's that simple. So what you get and the price, I went over that. $14.95 plus free shipping. Free shipping. Yes, that's what I said. Free shipping. Not only for Prime members, for everybody. So you don't have to be a Prime member in order to get flat screen clean sent to your house for free. $14.95 plus free shipping. And guess what? You might get an additional $1 off coupon if you haven't used it already. It's that simple. All right, so then you get our 4-ounce bottle of flat screen clean. What you get with this, you get the 4-ounce bottle of flat screen clean. You get the super blue microfiber towel. You get the insert cord, and you also get the bag to protect the super blue microfiber towel. $12.95 plus shipping and handling. Okay? Then we have our travel size bottle. So what you get with the travel size bottle is you get the medium size super blue microfiber towel. I know you're thinking, oh, he's going to say 16 by 16. No, medium size super blue microfiber towel. This is 12 by 12. Okay, and then you also get the insert card with all the valuable information. See, we make our insert card so you can just tuck it away and put it away. Okay, it's nice, and you can just go hide it. And you're like, hey, I need some more flat screen clean. Oh, this is how I get it. All right, $8.95 plus shipping and handling for our 8-ounce bottle. I mean our 2-ounce bottle, travel size. Whoops. Okay, and then we have our mini super blue microfiber towel. Now this is definitely great for your glasses when you use flat screen clean. It's that simple. It will not do any harm to any of your glasses. And believe me, you will see the world in a different place. Right now, I see that you're all blurry. It's that simple. $1080p. Okay. So $1.95 plus shipping and handling. Okay. And then we do sell the super blue microfiber towel. Also, the 16 by 16 inch super blue microfiber towel. We sell that alone. And this is $5.95 plus shipping and handling. Okay. So we have a great deal going on. Not only do you get this here for $14.95 plus free shipping, plus you may get an additional coupon if you haven't ordered it already, but we have a sweeter deal. $20 or more on our store. Yes, $20 or more. Guess what? Free shipping. Yes, free shipping. Not for everybody. It's always going to be for everybody, whether you're a Prime member or you're not a Prime member. I'm a Prime member. I like Prime. So if you decide, hey, I want the 4-ounce bottle of flat screen clean, and I want the travel size bottle of flat screen clean, guess what? You're going to get this. You're going to get the 16 by 16 inch super blue microfiber towel. You're going to get the 12 by 12 super blue microfiber towel. You're going to get the insert cards, and you're going to get the bags that come with it for $21.90. Free shipping. We're here to meet your needs and keeping all your screens clean. It's that simple. This is actually simple as 1, 2, 3. The extreme demo. So we're not your one-dimensional screen cleaner out on the market. So not only will it clean your screen itself, but we also designed it to where it'll clean your touch screen. It'll clean the back of your screen also. It's that simple. We designed it to clean both. So if you decide, hey, I like to clean my laptop and I want to clean not only the screen, but I tell you what, the backs get real dirty too. Why not clean it? It'll definitely clean it. It's that simple. We all use our tablets. We all use our laptops every single day. I know I do, constantly. It's that simple. Flat Screen Clean is here to meet your needs and keeping all your screens clean. We guarantee Flat Screen Clean. I can guarantee that I can ship it to you. Priority mail, United States Postal Service. That's how we ship things 99.9% of the time. It's that simple. Priority mail. So if you like what you see, act now and order yours today. And I will definitely put out another video tomorrow because I was a little laid up and I was a little sick. And I didn't want to come on and just, I wanted to feel good. So I feel good tonight. So act now and order yours today. We are not out of stock. You will be so happy. You will be telling your friends about Flat Screen Clean. Okay. Have a great evening. And I love doing these live videos. And I need some people to start chatting with me here so I can answer some questions. Okay. Have a great evening and I'll see you tomorrow night.